Prepare to be captivated by the wonders of the cosmos. On September 16, 2025, a stunning new image was unveiled, showcasing Westerlund 1, the most gigantic and nearest superstar cluster to our planet. This breathtaking photograph, made public on July 23, 2025, merges data from several of NASA's pioneering observatories. It features X-ray information from the Chandra X-ray Observatory, represented in mesmerizing hues of pink, blue, purple, and orange. Complementing this are the infrared insights from the James Webb Space Telescope, displayed in vibrant shades of yellow, gold, and blue. Meanwhile, the optical data from the Hubble Space Telescope adds a soft touch in cyan, gray, and light yellow. The significance of this composite image is profound, as it provides astronomers with valuable insights into Westerlund 1, often regarded as a cosmic powerhouse where stars are actively forged. Thanks to the investigative prowess of Chandra and its fellow telescopes, researchers are diving deeper into this stellar breeding ground. Amazingly, observations from Chandra have pinpointed thousands of unique stars, each emitting X-ray radiation into the cluster. This remarkable image is just one part of a larger series that features data collected by Chandra alongside a multitude of other telescopes across the universe. Image credit: X-ray, NASA, CXC, SAO, Optical. NASA, ESA, STASI, IR, NASA, ESA, CSA, STSEI. Processing, NASA, CXC, SAO, Elfrattery. Now here's the kicker. Do you think we have truly grasped the full complexity of star formation in such clusters? Or are there still mysteries waiting to be uncovered? Join the conversation and share your thoughts.